This is Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, and today I'll show how you can fix hacked system issues on this device. So in the beginning, I recommend that you launch Settings. Here enter the Security and Privacy section and go for the System and Updates. Now, first check for system updates, and if there will be a newer software version, also make sure to download and install it right away, and also check for security updates here. And once again, the system is the same here. If there will be any newer software version, make sure to get it downloaded and installed, since those updates are, for the most part, designed to actually fix and fill those security holes that your system may have, and patch the security vulnerabilities in general. Now, another step I recommend you take is to launch the Google Play Store, then tap at your profile picture to the top right, open the Play Protect, and scan your phone for harmful apps. If you will find any, obviously uninstall those apps right away. And the final advice that I have is that you check your list of device administrators by simply launching Settings. I think you should be able to find it in the Security and Privacy category. More Security and Privacy. Let's see, device admin apps. So open this list and see whether the app you do not recall adding to this list has this permission active. Like you can see the toggle here is what color is it? I guess green, blue, whatever, which identifies that this particular app is indeed a device administrator, and for the most part, this very sensitive access should not be granted to the 95% of apps. The only apps that you should allow it to use this permission is Google apps, Android apps, system apps, and so on. So if you see the sketchy application, once again, that you do not remember adding to this device administrator list, make sure to deactivate the permission right away and uninstall this app on top of that. And as far as this little video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.